Children, very beautiful morning to all of you. So, lastly we have seen about the zones. Three types of zones were there, right? Torrid zone, temperature zone and frigid zone. So what we have seen, torrid zone is tropical zone, known as tropical zone, and it is excessive heat. Very heat is there in torrid zone. At the same, frigid zone, polar zone. It is known as also polar zone. It is very excessive cold. And temperature zone means moderate heat and cold. Now, types of motion on the earth. Like other planets, there are two types of motion of the earth. First is rotation and second is revolution. So everything has rotation. So like here in the earth, two types are there. First is rotation and second is revolution. So let's see first rotation. As the top rotates on its axis, in the same way earth also rotates on its axis. From west to east direction, the circular motion of earth is called daily motion. So like circle is there, here the earth. It is here west and east. It is rotation on its axis to west to east. And this daily motion, this is known as the daily motion. It is also called rotation. Daily have to rotate from west to east, right? And it is also called rotation. The earth completes a cycle of 1670 km per hour and equator. So how many here equator up to? How many it cover? Wait. A through equator it cover an 1670 km per hour. It also takes 24 hours to complete this cycle. This speed has played an important role in the shaping the earth orange shape. So like this rotation, it is shaping the orange like shape, right? Not perfect circle. It is converting like orange like shape. Here the earth we have seen then. So this is rotation. Now revolution. The earth revolves around the sun as it rotates on its axis. It takes 365 days for the earth to complete its revolution. Now first, what is the difference in rotation and revolution? Now in rotation, we're doing circle from west to east on its axis, right? Axis. And here around sun. We call it period a year. An imaginary way to earth rotation around the sun in the space has been determined, which is also known as orbit. So these imaginary have seen like that how much time taking to consume and around the sun. So it is known as orbit. That I will show you in next lecture. Now in orbit what is there? Plus neutron is there and electron is there. This both are new word for you, but it is there in orbit. Along with this, the earth do not move in a circular path rather than in an elliptical orbit. It does not move in circular path, but it is moving in the elliptical orbit. Okay, that orbit I told you, like show distance between the sun and the earth are not same throughout the year. It is not compulsory that the distance means, if we example taking 1000 meter, then earth also same. Both distance are different. The earth rotate on its axis by making an angle of 23.5 degree, that we have seen further, on its axis, and 66.5 along its orbit. So here you have seen up to here on its axis, that up to here on its axis, right? And above 66.5 it is rotation on this the sun. The earth rotates on its axis by making angle of 23.5 and 66.5 along with orbit. So through this along with orbit, and rest is in earth. Due to the movement of earth, this season occurs when day and night are extended and shortened. So how the day and night and season are changing, it is all dependent upon the revolution and the rotation of the earth. That how much time it take to revolve and how much time it take to consume. So in short, from this both para we can say that rotation on its axis, right, And revolution around sun, it take 24 hours a day, it take 365 days, which means a year. Okay. Now next is day and night. Due to daily motion of the earth, day and night occur. Now what we have seen, daily motion, the circular motion of the earth while the earth is moving. See here, daily motion definition is given. The circular motion of the earth is known as a daily motion. Okay. Its rotates on its own axis. The sun shines only on half of it and the other half is dark. Now, as the earth is tilt and rotates on its own axis. Now earth is rotation in on axis. So what? The sun shines only half. Shining half and the other parts are dark. So which parts is seen? We can see that is much is shining and back part are dark. If earth would not have rotated, then on one side only light would have been there, while on the other side it would have remained dark. So see here, taking an example. See, suppose here earth is there, right? We are taking here earth. This whole part is earth. Okay. Now, what is there? First, it is rotation. So this part will be clear as a light part and the back part is known as dark part. So first revolution is there. From here light will come. So revolution, as it go from here to here, here to here, this portion will come front. So it become dark. Right? You can see that rotation is there. Means some part will become light. Same way, after evening it will become dark. So like this rotation is going on the other part dark, but it isn't so. Thus every part of the earth experience light from darkness and darkness from light. So you will feel that what happened if rotation is going on. So sometimes light, sometimes darkness, sometimes light, it is occurring. No, it is not like that. From light it every 24 years. So for moving the one portion of the earth like this, moving earth, it will take 24 hours. So we'll get light also and we'll get dark also. Because of it, every part of the earth experience morning, afternoon and evening. Okay. As the earth is tilted on its axis, we find difference in the length of day and night. So it will moving till, right? It is tilted and it is moving. So what? We can get the length of the day and night different. It is not that the same day will be there, same night will be there. It is depending upon the rotation of its axis. Now see figure 9.11. What is there here in the figure? This portion is there, it is consuming light, right? And this portion are, see I am doing, this portion is night. You can see dark. So first these parts are there which are coming in the contact through what? It is coming in the contact with the sun. So sun rays are passing through this light. So it will give us day. And after that big portion is night. Okay. Now sun rays fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June. And Tropic of Capricorn at 27 December. So this you remember. Sun rays fall directly on Tropic of Cancer on 21st and 22 December on Tropic of Capricorn. While the sun rays directly are in the adjacent area, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. So sun is in adjacent area. So what will be there? Days will be long because sun are falling to directly. So see here the position is there now. So what will happen? Days are long and nights are short. Okay. Now, where the sun rays fall diagonally, the days are short and nights are long. When sun rays are falling diagonally, adjacent means near to it, right? Diagonally means opposite. Like this diagonal is there, no? Suppose in boxes there, diagonal is this. Like this, if it is falling, then the days are short and nights are long. And adjacent means near to here. Then what will be this? Days are long and nights are short. While day and night are same of the length on 21st March and 23rd September. So this two important date is there. At which date 21st March and 23rd September, both day and night length will be equal. Okay. Now see in the figure 9.12 long short day night northern hemisphere. It is all about our northern hemisphere. So what it is there? Here every month is given, and like this it is given as an earth rotation, how it is rotation on its axis. Okay, so these are the months. Like this it will complete take this much, see here, little bit more here. Like this month is deciding. And here it is coming on March equinox, day and night similar. So what is equinox? Equinox means where the day and night length both are same. If the day is of 24 hour, the night will be, this is an example, the night will be of 24 hour. If day for 5 hour, then night for 5 hour. Equinox means day and night both similar in length. Okay, so this is equinox, on which today it is falling 21st March and 23rd September. Okay, now 22 December is a shortest day. Okay, 21st June longest day, and 23rd September equinox there, day and night similar, and 21st June longest day Dakshinayam. It is in then, and here Uttarayan. So both are equally, see here, straight line are passing through it, right? You have seen both. That what one here Uttarayan there is this Dakshinayam there. It is shortest day and here the longest day. So both are opposite to it. Okay. So up to here we'll keep our lecture. Okay, up to northern hemisphere long short day. In next lecture we'll further continue. Okay, thank you children.